Fall has a way of changing everything. The wheels are set in motion. The winter solstice is about, a week away? The light, the colors, the rhythm of the outdoors. It's also the season that inspires my wildlife work. In this video, I'm taking you through my process of creating a fall wildlife watercolor. The subject? A familiar, friendly visitor to hunters, bird watchers, millions of backyards and deep woods, from the first brushstroke to the final details, just the process, the work, and the moment. Let's get started. That's one of my finished works. For me, this is where the outdoors and the watercolor come together. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. I'm Mr. R. This is the Rondinelli Project. Take the time to make nature a part of your life. And we gone.